Kitanat pulit jong kajala Meghalaya ha kakandai trik nai wing kila penjulor yaki drug bat kenja da kabathang yaki hakar khanado bilat ka Star Cement ha East Giant Hills District. U Director General of Police DGP Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi ulaong bakaying bishar kala ajing bit yak tanat pulit ban penjulor yaki niki drug bat kenja da kabathang. Ulaong baki niki drug bat kenja ki balathang ki kuntup yak East Khasi Hills Chipo teliki case, Ribhai Arteliki case, West Khasi Hills Khatsau teliki case, but ha West Giant Hills Arpasan case. UDGP ulayathu ya udrok heroin ubalathang usyongdor hadu like klur tingka, uganja ubasyongdor prapaulak tingka, but kiwe pat kenja jingdi penbuad arpaulak tingka. Ha ka jingthang ye kini ki drug, layadan lang UDIG ka Eastern Range Davis Marak, ki SP but kiwe ki officer pulit haringkat ka jingadan lang kinong sakhi.
executive officers from the cement factory in general and Mr. Lakshmi Ayar in particular, my own colleagues from the police department and friends from media. First of all, let me express my gratitude to cement factory Lumshnong for giving us a platform to destroy the drugs as per the laid down procedures. So today I am happy to inform you that the drugs seized in 51 cases after receiving the court orders, we have destroyed the drugs seized in 51 cases covering the 4 districts. East Khasi Hill districts 10 cases, then Ribhoi 2 cases, and the West Khasi Hill districts total 14 cases, and West Jaintia Hill district total 25 cases. We have received the court order for drug disposal from the court only in these 51 cases recently, and others are in the process now. So very soon we will be able to destroy much more drugs which are already waiting the court orders. So today we have destroyed the heroin worth 3 crore rupees value. Then we have destroyed the cannabis, that is a total 180 lakh rupees, and 20 lakh rupees we have destroyed the yaba tablets. So total drugs worth rupees 4 crore has been destroyed today. The laid down procedures regarding disposal by the Honorable Supreme Court has been meticulously followed, and after completing all the formalities, we have requested the management of the cement factory Lumshnong, and they very kindly and very readily agreed to entertain our request, and they have given us the facility. You have seen the kilns of very long kilns, approximately 75 meter long, and with a diameter of 4.5 meters. The inside temperature is nearly 1000 degrees centigrade. So all the drugs were reduced to acid instantly. And I sincerely hope that the drug menace problem will evaporate permanently from the state of magnificent Meghalaya, just like the leaking flame destroys the drugs today. So we are in the process of taking the court orders from all the pending cases where the large quantity of the drugs have been seized, and once the court order is received by the IOs, then we will go for the completing formalities regarding the drug disposal. In every district there is a district drug disposal committee is there. They screen all the cases meticulously after taking order from the court. So the representatives are not only from police department but from civil administration, from judiciary, from the pollution control board, from health department, from excise department. And once committee finally approves that these are the seizures fit for the disposal, then only we destroy the drugs. So there is a laid down procedure, and we have selected the cement factory here because here there is a zero risk as far as pollution is concerned. So we have already received NOC from the pollution control department, and they also agreed that cement factory, the incineration is the best facility available here. All were instantly reduced to acid and no threat to any kind of environmental pollution. So that is why we have selected the safe site. As per Supreme Court order also, there should be a notified incineration place for the drug disposals, and we have kept that in mind. So during last 1 year, you will be happy to know that we have seized nearly 24 kg heroin, and 1 kg heroin rate in the illicit market is 8 to 10 crore rupees. So 24 means almost 230 to 240 crore rupees heroin were seized by Meghalaya police during last 1 year. We have arrested more than 500 drug traffickers during last 1 year, and we have registered nearly 135 cases throughout the Meghalaya. We have recovered the drugs more than 250 crore rupees, and we have created a lot of awareness program to generate awareness among not only among students and teaching community, but also among the masses, covering all the sections of society like businessmen, truck drivers, like shopkeepers, employees, their non-teaching staff, teachers, students. We are covering school, college, university, business places, market places, etc. So you will be happy to know that during last year we have nearly conducted 1,500 awareness programs throughout the length and breadth of Meghalaya. So we have launched a massive drive against the drug trafficking, and through friends of media I appeal to the people of Meghalaya that they should come forward and cooperate with the police department and let us combat this case unitedly and jointly, because this will otherwise it will threaten not only the individual but it has potential to ruin the whole society, and our social fabric will be disturbed completely, and it will give a lot of bad name to the state, and our youth, their economic productivity will become big zero. So to save youth, we have taken it as a challenge, and we are conducting enforcement drives almost on day-to-day basis, and definitely through media you are also aware, all the people are aware that how much seizure is done on day-to-day basis. So in spite of substantial seizure by the state police, by the ANTF, Anti-Narcotic Task Force, depending on either human intelligence or technical intelligence, in spite of the huge seizure, the consumers' numbers are continuously increasing, and this is a big cause of concern for all of us. So we have decided to take the help of all sections of the society. We are willing the community leaders, religious leaders to help us to overcome the problems. So this is basically our mission, and I'm sure that with a lot of enthusiasm, commitment, zeal and hard work, we will be able to manage to control this problem in the future. So this is instructions and our strategy. So we have adopted a 6-pronged strategy to overcome this problem. Our first strategy is creating consistent awareness program covering the various schools, colleges, universities by organizing various competitions among the students, poster competitions, sports competitions, literary competitions. That is our strategy. So that once the people know about the drug menace and about the pernicious consequences of the drugs, then they will become definitely more vigilant. That is our first strategy. Second is enforcement, continuous enforcement. The drive is going on. It has been appreciated by the people of Meghalaya. They are also coming forward to cooperate with us. And the large number of the seizure of the drugs during the last 1 year is testimony to it. That is our second strategy. Our third strategy is strengthening the trainings for our own officials so that they can understand the nitty-gritties of the NDPS Act, and they can investigate the case properly, scientifically and meticulously, and this will help them to ensure the conviction in the court and successfully accused can be prosecuted in the court. This is our third strategy. Our fourth strategy is involving ourselves in the rehabilitation programs. So we are trying to cooperate with all the stakeholders of the society. We are also visiting various drug de-addiction centers and the rehabilitation centers, and also associating us in that process also. All the rehabilitation is directly responsible of the social welfare and health department, but we are also associated with it. Our fifth strategy is basically involving the media, as you have been invited here, so that media has a colossal role to generate awareness among masses, and because their outreach will be much more than any other department. So we are seeking the help of the electronic and print media. Our sixth strategy will be basically use of technology, available technology, because cyber crimes and other challenging areas are emerging as far as this drug supply is concerned. The modern day drug traffickers, they started using the darknet and other programs to strengthen their supply network. So we are using the technology. We have created our own WhatsApp groups, the Facebook page is there, and Instagram we are using, and Twitter. You might have seen the Honorable Chief Minister has appreciated our drives by tweeting many times and congratulating the officer for successful season. So these are our 6-pronged strategy as far as menace of the drug is concerned. So this is in nutshell. Today itself we have organized one awareness program at Don Bosco College there in Clarion, and we are nearly 650 students and teachers participated in that. And the students, wherever we have visited the educational institution, we noted that the students are under tension, under stress because of academic pressure, because of the expectations from the parents, because of the job uncertainty, or maybe because of the economic difficulties. By and large, many of them remain under stress. And to combat that stress, we are frequently visiting school, colleges, universities, and interacting with them. And also, as many students, they are eager and keen to associate with Meghalaya Police in the best possible way. Like the many MCA, BCA students, they can help us by out-of-box thinking how to combat this case. So this is a serious problem as far as Meghalaya state is concerned. Meghalaya state is a sensitive state because of close proximity to Golden Triangle area. It has porous border with Bangladesh also. The interstate gangs are operating, and the problem has been percolating from urban to rural area. And recently, unfortunately, large number of the girls have been found involved in the drug trafficking as well as consumption of drugs also. Earlier, the problem was confined to male population, but recently the trend has been seen that a lot of young girls are becoming drug abusers. So these are the cause of concerns for us, and the number of consumers are continuously increasing. In 2019, that survey done by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, in that survey they found that nearly 2.5 lakh drug abusers are in Meghalaya. So that number may be much more now. So this is the real cause of concern, and that is why we are paying a lot of emphasis on this.